Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, leave me your comments, and please share this video out with everyone. Y'all, first of all, I want to tell you all just how much I appreciate all of y'all being here. Without y'all, I would not have a channel. There would be no need for me to be here. And I appreciate y'all, and I love you all from the bottom of my heart. But now I'm going to ask for your help. Another YouTuber, and I told him I was going to copy him. He's doing a thing. He's writing letters to everyone in Congress, the president, clear value tax. If you hadn't checked out his channel, check him out. He puts out some good stuff every day. But he's writing letters to each of these people, letting them know how we feel, what we need. He's laying it on the line to them. And he's asking for his viewers to send in what they want to add to the letter. And I told him that's a very good idea, and I would be copying his idea. So that's what this is up front. I'm telling you, I am copying somebody else. So I won't get no negative feedback on that. I know I won't get none from him. The more people that gets involved in this, the better off we'll be. Okay, I'm going to be writing a letter to Nancy Pelosi, one to President Trump, and one to Mitch McConnell, letting them know exactly how I feel about the way they're handling this whole situation. I'm going to let them know what the people needs and how everybody feels and how they will be voted out of office in November if they don't do what we need them to do, what we elected them to do. Now, where you come in at, I'm asking you to put in the comments, or you can email me if you want to, your part of the letter, what you want in the letter, what pertains to you and your family, and it will be included in the letter. I don't care how long it is, it will be included. I'm going to send a letter to Nancy Pelosi and one to Donald Trump and one to Mitch McConnell. So y'all, please, in the comments below, type to me whatever it is you want to say to them. Or you can email me if you don't want to put it in the comments. My email is WEYBURN, WOWEYBURN @hotmail.com. It's also in the description box below. But y'all just let me know what you want added to the letter, and it will be added to the letter. Y'all, I will be sending this letter on Thursday the 10th. So sooner you can get them into me, the better off we'll be. Like I say, email them or just put it in the comments below. And y'all, clear value tax is a real nice guy. And I'm sure his letter is going to be nice as he can make it. You know me. I'm not going to be nice. I'm going to lay it on the line thick and heavy. Y'all please send in your parts of the letter that you want added. I will add them. Y'all please subscribe to this channel. Give me your thumbs up. Leave your comments. Please share it out. And remember, the more of us that gets involved in this, the better the letter will be. And the more they're going to have to stand up and take notice of what we're saying. Y'all please subscribe to this channel. Leave me your thumbs up. Leave your comments. Also my other channel, Wally World's blogs. The link is in the bottom. We're talking about making money online, making money on YouTube, and on your own website. I also have my books down there. I've got 2 new books out. They're just $3.99 a piece. If you can, get them. They will help you, and it will help me too. Thank you all so much for being subscribed to my channel, and I do love you all. Ciao.